Good morning. Welcome. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing very well, thank you. How about you?
I can't complain. The sun is shining, people are smiling, and I haven't spilled my coffee yet. So it's already a good day.
That's a great way to measure a day.
Trust me. If you work in tourism, coffee is very important.
I completely understand. Actually, I had an amazing coffee yesterday, a little cafe near my hotel. I don't remember the street name, but I definitely remember the coffee.
That's how you know it was good. My name is Carlos. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Carlos. I'm Ben.
Where are you visiting from, Ben?
I'm from England.
England. Very nice. Is this your first time in Barcelona?
Yes, I've wanted to come here for years.
Then welcome. I hope Barcelona gives you wonderful memories.
Thank you. I already have a feeling it will.
So, what brings you here? A holiday? Business? A little bit of both?
Just a holiday. I needed a break from work.
A wise decision. People work too much these days.
That's true. I realized I hadn't taken a proper vacation in almost 2 years.
2 years? Ben, that's not a holiday, that's an emergency.
That's exactly what my friend said.
Have you made any plans for today?
Not really. I only know one thing.
What's that?
I don't want to spend the whole day looking at my phone. I'd rather explore the city.
I like your style. Barcelona is best discovered with your eyes, not your screen.
Exactly. I want to see the real city. I've seen those red buses everywhere. They seem really popular.
They certainly are. That's our hop-on, hop-off sightseeing bus. Have you ever used one before?
No, never. I wasn't even sure how it worked.
Well, you've come to the right person. I'll explain everything.
Great. So, how does it work?
It's very simple. You buy one ticket, you get on the bus. When you see something interesting, you get off. You visit the place. When you're ready, you simply get back on the next bus.
So I don't have to stay on the same bus?
Not at all. That's the best part. You can get on, get off, get back on, as many times as you like.
That sounds really convenient.
It is, especially if it's your first visit.
So, I only need one ticket?
That's right. One ticket gives you unlimited rides for the whole day.
Unlimited?
Exactly. As many rides as you want. One ticket, one whole day.
I like the sound of that.
Although, there is one small problem.
Oh, what's that?
People sometimes enjoy the city so much, they forget where they got off. One tourist called us and said, "I found a beautiful park, but I have no idea where I am."
What did you tell him?
I asked him, "Can you see anything famous?" He said, "Yes, trees."
That wasn't very helpful.
Not at all. Barcelona has thousands of trees. Now, let's find the right ticket for you. How many days are you staying?
4 days.
That's perfect. Not too short, not too long. Will today be your main sightseeing day?
Yes, I want to visit as many famous places as I can, but I don't want to rush.
Good answer. Many people try to see everything. By the end of the day, they're too tired to remember anything.
I don't want that. I'd rather enjoy each place, take my time, have a coffee, maybe sit in a park for a while.
Now you're thinking like a local. Tell me something. When you travel, are you the kind of person who follows a schedule? Or do you prefer surprises?
Definitely surprises. Some of my favorite memories happened when my plans changed.
Mine, too. Sometimes the wrong street becomes the best street. Sometimes the cafe you didn't plan to visit becomes your favorite.
That actually happened yesterday.
I stopped for one coffee and stayed almost an hour.
See, Barcelona is already teaching you. I think I know exactly what you need. One-day sightseeing ticket, a city map, an audio guide, and one important piece of advice.
What's that?
Don't try to see Barcelona. Experience Barcelona. There's a difference.
I like that. I think that's exactly what I came here for.
Then you're going to have an unforgettable day. All right, Ben, let's plan your adventure. Come over here.
Wow, that's a big map.
It looks bigger than it really is. Don't worry. By this evening, you'll know it much better.
I hope so. Right now, everything looks the same.
That's perfectly normal. Every city looks confusing on the first day. Tomorrow, it'll already feel different. Can you find your hotel?
Let me see. I think it's here.
Very close. Just one street over. Good job.
Really? I guessed.
Sometimes guessing works. Now tell me, if you could only visit 3 places today, which 3 would you choose?
Definitely La Sagrada Familia. I've dreamed of seeing it for years.
Excellent choice. What else?
Park Güell. The photos look incredible.
They are. But the real place is even better. And the third?
I'm not sure. What would you recommend?
That depends. Do you like history?
Yes, very much.
Do you enjoy walking through old streets?
Absolutely.
Then you must visit the Gothic Quarter. Narrow streets, old buildings, beautiful little squares, musicians, artists, small cafes. It feels completely different from the modern part of Barcelona.
That sounds exactly like something I'd enjoy.
Is it far from here?
No, not at all. It's only about 15 minutes by bus. Or, if you enjoy walking, about 30 minutes on foot.
I think I'll take the bus there and maybe walk back.
That's a great plan. Look here. This is the blue route, and this is the red route.
Which route should I take first?
If I were you, I'd start with the blue route,
Why?
because it takes you to La Sagrada Familia first. After that, you can continue to Park Güell. Then later, switch to the red route.
Can I change routes with the same ticket?
Of course, one ticket covers both routes.
That's good. I thought I needed 2 tickets.
No, just one ticket, remember?
One ticket, unlimited rides.
Exactly. You're already learning.
Be honest, do tourists ever get on the wrong bus?
Every single day.
Really?
Yesterday, a gentleman wanted to visit the beach. Instead, he accidentally went to the football stadium.
That's quite a mistake.
When he came back, he said, "I didn't find the sea, but I found 20,000 football fans."
At least he found something.
Exactly. A good traveler never calls it a mistake. He calls it an unexpected adventure.
How often does the bus stop at each station?
About every 15 minutes, sometimes a little sooner, sometimes a little later. It depends on traffic.
So if I miss one bus, I don't have to wait very long?
Exactly. Just relax. Another bus will arrive soon.
That's good to know. I don't like rushing when I'm traveling.
Neither do I. Holidays aren't meant to be stressful. Have you ever used an audio guide?
No, never.
You're going to enjoy it. As the bus drives through the city, the guide tells you stories about each place.
In English?
Yes, clear and easy English.
Perfect. That sounds really interesting.
Here's a little tip. Most tourists get off at the famous landmarks.
Makes sense.
But sometimes, stay on the bus one extra stop. You might discover somewhere much quieter. Sometimes the quiet places become your favorite memories.
I like that idea. I don't mind exploring places that aren't crowded.
Then Barcelona will reward you. So, Let's see if you've remembered everything.
Oh, a test already?
Just a small one. Which route will you take first?
The blue route.
Excellent. How many tickets do you need?
1 ticket.
Can you get on and off the bus as many times as you want?
Yes, unlimited rides all day.
Perfect. I think you're ready.
Thanks to a very good teacher.
Let's hope you still remember everything after your first coffee stop.
No promises.
Come on. I'll walk you to the bus stop. It's only a minute away.
Really?
You don't mind leaving your desk?
Not at all. My colleague is watching the office. Besides, it's always nice to stretch my legs.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. This square is beautiful.
Everything feels so alive.
That's one of my favorite things about Barcelona. People don't stay inside all day. They enjoy the streets, the cafes, the parks, the sunshine.
I've noticed that. Even this morning.
Everyone looked relaxed. Nobody seemed to be in a hurry.
Exactly. Life is busy enough. When we have free time, we enjoy it. Do you enjoy walking?
Very much. It's the best way to discover a new city.
You notice little things.
The buildings,
The balconies.
the flowers, even the smell of fresh bread.
Now you're speaking like a traveler, not a tourist.
What's the difference?
A tourist wants to see everything. A traveler wants to experience everything.
I like that. I think I'd rather be a traveler. Whoa, that was close.
Welcome to Barcelona. Always look both ways, not only for cars.
I'll remember that.
Bicycles appear very quietly. Sometimes they surprise even me.
Good thing he had a belt.
Yes, otherwise we'd probably still be standing there, apologizing to each other.
Can I ask you another question?
Of course, ask as many questions as you like.
If I get off the bus, how do I know where to catch the next one?
Good question. Every bus stop has the same sign. Look for the red hop-on hop-off sign. You'll also see the route map.
So I don't have to remember everything?
Definitely not. You're on holiday. Let the signs do some of the work.
That's a relief.
My memory isn't always reliable.
Mine isn't either. That's why maps were invented.
What if I accidentally miss my stop?
Don't worry. Stay on the bus. Get off at the next stop. Cross the street and catch another bus.
So it's not a problem?
Not at all. It happens every day.
Even to locals?
Especially to locals. We're usually the ones thinking about work instead of paying attention.
Wow, look at that building.
Beautiful, isn't it? Go ahead. Take a photo.
Thanks. I think I've taken 20 photos already.
Only 20. You're doing very well. Most tourists take 20 photos before breakfast.
Maybe I'll catch up later.
I'm sure you will. Just don't spend the whole day behind your camera. Remember to enjoy what you're looking at. Sometimes our eyes take better pictures than our phones.
I don't think I'll forget that.
Here we are. This is your bus stop.
That was quick.
The buses usually arrive every 15 minutes. You won't have to wait long.
One last thing. What if I have a problem later?
Every stop has staff members during the day. Just ask. Everyone is happy to help.
That's reassuring.
And remember, there are no silly questions. Everyone is new on their first day. Can I give you one more piece of advice?
Please.
Don't try to have the perfect day. Sometimes people spend so much time following a schedule. that they forget to enjoy where they are. If something catches your attention, stop, explore it. You can always catch the next bus.
That's probably the best advice I've heard since arriving in Barcelona.
Good. Then my job is done. Here comes your bus. Right on time.
Perfect timing.
See? Barcelona is taking good care of you already.
I hope it continues.
I'm sure it will. Enjoy your adventure, Ben.
Thank you, Carlos. You've been incredibly kind.
It was a pleasure meeting you. Maybe our paths will cross again before you leave.
I hope so. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy Barcelona.
Good morning. Welcome aboard.
Good morning. Thank you.
Perfect. You're all set. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you very much. Wow, what a view! I think Carlos was right. The upstairs seats are definitely worth it.
Welcome aboard the Barcelona Hop-On Hop-Off bus. Thank you for choosing to explore our beautiful city with us. Today's journey will take you past some of Barcelona's most famous landmarks. You are free to get on and get off as often as you like. Please keep your ticket with you throughout the day. For your safety, remain seated while the bus is moving. Enjoy the journey.
This already feels like an adventure.
On your right, you can see Plaça de Catalunya, one of the city's busiest and most important squares. Many visitors begin their journey here. From this point, Barcelona stretches in every direction.
It's beautiful. I don't even know where to look first.
Our next stop, La Sagrada Familia, one of the world's most famous churches, designed by Antoni Gaudí. If you wish to visit, please leave the bus at the next stop.
Finally, I've waited years to see this place.